Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jasmine Kim from the Applied Sports Industry Department at Yonsei University. And I'd like to take the opportunity to thank you all for coming to today's event. Please take your seats as we begin today's event. Thank you for joining us today for the first Yonsei Exercise Oncology Symposium hosted by Yonsei University's Signature Research Cluster Program and Yonsei Cancer Center's Cancer Prevention Center. We will soon begin session 1, Exercise Oncology, Guidelines and Applications in the Real World, which will begin with the opening ceremony, where Professor Park, the Vice President of Yonsei University, will give a congratulatory address.
Good morning and good evening, everyone, in online and offline. I'm Seung Park, the Senior Vice President for Research Affairs of Yonsei University. And on behalf of Yonsei University, I'd like to warmly welcome you to the first Exercise Oncology Symposium. Last year, our university established Yonsei Signature Cluster Program to enhance the joint researches among outstanding faculties within our universities. And the Department of Sports Industry Studies is one of the 13 clusters selected. And this symposium is funded by our Yonsei Signature Cluster Program. Recently, cancer patients and survivors are rapidly increasing in South Korea, and supportive care and cancer management become a critical issue. Exercise is known to prevent cancer and cancer recurrence and side effect of the cancer treatment. However, the area of exercise oncology is relatively new, and there are not many scientific communities studying this important topic. From this point of view, I believe symposium will play an important role in the future, because to my knowledge, this symposium will cover this important issue for the first time in Korea by gathering eminent scholars from related many different fields, including surgery, medical oncology, rehabilitation, medicine, nursing, and exercise. I would like to thank Professor Connie Konya from University of Alberta, Canada, for coming all the way here to give us a special lecture and talks. And I'd like to thank Professor Ji-Soo Park, the head of the Cancer Prevention Center, and Professor, of course, the Yong-Wan, and all the invited speakers and faculty members for the effort to make symposium successful. I sincerely hope this symposium will initiate the international and multidisciplinary collaboration and trigger a long and fruitful collaboration and friendship in this important issue. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Professor Park. Now I would like to invite Professor Jun-Sung Lee, the head of the Department of Sport Industry Studies, for a few words.
Good morning, everyone. And thank you all for being part of this special event today. I'm Professor Jun-Sung Lee, as introduced, chair of the Department of Sport Industry Studies. First of all, on behalf of the faculty members of the department, I'm both pleased and honored to welcome you all to today's international symposium, co-hosted by the Yonsei Signature Research Cluster Program with our department and the Cancer Prevention Center at the Shincheon Sebrans Hospital. Especially, I truly thank Professor Seung-Han Park, the Vice President of Yonsei University, for being here today to congratulate this special event. Without the vigorous support from the university, this special and meaningful event would have not been able to be held. Moreover, it is a great honor for us to have many prominent and world-renowned scholars in the field of exercise oncology. I'm strongly convinced that their rich experiences and insights will guide us to a better understanding of the topics and will clearly contribute to the researchers and the practitioners too. So I lastly wish this event becomes a memorable experience for all of us, and hope you all enjoy this special event today. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Lee. Now I would like to introduce Professor Ji-Soo Park, the head of the Cancer Prevention Center at Yonsei Cancer Center, the first speaker as well as the chair of the session. Please welcome Professor Ji-Soo Park.
Thank you for your kind introduction. I appreciate the opportunity to introduce our Cancer Prevention Center in this symposium. And my short talk will start with the history and beginning of the Cancer Prevention Center. Yes. In 1885, the former form of Sebrans Hospital, the Gwanghae-won, was established, and the name was changed to Daejung-won. And 1904, the new hospital was constructed. Sebrans Hospital was followed the name of the Mr. Louis Sebrans. And 1969, Yonsei Cancer Center was opened. It was the first cancer center in Korea. And 2014, we constructed a new building and expanded several documents when we began the new generation of Yonsei Cancer Center. Our Yonsei Cancer Center have 13 cancer-specific cancer centers and 5 kinds of signature centers. These signature centers was for the prevention, precision medicine, prevention, palliation, information, and scar management of the cancer treatment. Our Cancer Prevention Center is for prevention of cancer. So for the patient with precancerous region, hereditary cancer syndrome, familial cancer, and cancer survivors, we performed intensive screening, lifestyle modification, family consultation, and early intervention using subspecialty clinics, exercise support program, nutritional support program, multidisciplinary approach, and genetics and lifestyle cohort. Using these components, we are trying to achieve an improvement of medical service and advance in clinical research. This is our symbol. So we have 3 kinds of specialized clinics: high-risk clinics, hereditary cancer clinic, and survivorship clinics. In 2021, 10,827 patients visited and until now, 400 cases of rescue surgery was conducted for prevention of hereditary breast ovarian cancer syndrome. With the help of supporting members, this is our Justin Yonggan-John for exercise program, and other members for nutritional support, lifestyle modification, and cancer statistics. We can do our best to prevent our patients from cancers. We also perform workshops for healthcare providers. This is workshop for cancer prevention on Korean Cancer Prevention Day every year. And we also do some events for the patient and family members. We also do some cancer prevention studies. This is our multidisciplinary team developed the cohort and management program for colorectal cancer survivors. We make some program including cancer aesthetics, risk impact factor management, nutrition support, medication and colostomy management, and exercise program. For this program, Professor Jang and Chris make some exercise program for cancer survivors and provide video. This is our, 여기를 클릭해 봐 주시죠. 여기가 동영상이거든요. 혹시 클릭해 주실 수 있을까요? 왼쪽에 이 부분. 예. Here is our exercise training room in our Yonsei Cancer Prevention Center. Professor Jang and team members use this training room and make cancer-specific exercise researches and personalized training. And they also operating YouTube channels, Exercise Wins. We are very thankful for these factors and their efforts. I'd like to send our warmest congratulations on this wonderful symposium, and thank you for your kind attention.